everyone, I'm doing this video for any of you who are sitting on that fence deciding whether to use the Watermans products or whether not to use the Watermans products. I hope by the time you see this message you will decide that it's the product for you. So let's go back to my journey then. So about 3 years ago I started using the Watermans product. I had a lot of bleach in my hair. My hair is very long. If ever I have it cut short to here, it just absolutely poofs out and I look like some kind of cartoon character. So, as I said, it's very curly, and as you can see now, it's very smooth. This has just been blow dried. This is without any HD straightening irons on it. It's just naturally just been blow dried straight. Now, what was I going to say to you now? Let me think. Okay, let's go. So as you can see, I started to grow my hair out when COVID hit because I had a lot of bleach in it. Hairdressers were closed, so I decided to embrace my grey, which is what I've actually done here. So as you can see, this is all my natural colour coming through here. And if you actually look at my hair, probably from here downwards is pure bleach. And if I bring it a bit closer, you will see that although it's bleach, it doesn't look dry and it doesn't look frizzy, and it's very soft and it doesn't get knotty or anything like that. So what products have I been using? I've been using obviously the Watermans shampoo together with the Watermans conditioner. Now these are absolutely amazing products. As I said before to people, use them as directed. You have to keep it on for 3 or 4 minutes. So that's what you need to do, because if you don't do that, then obviously the product doesn't work. So you need to do what's on the bottle, but the statement that is on the bottle is exactly what happens to your hair. It really brings your hair in really good condition. The other product I seem to use with Watermans is their Watermans mask. Yet again, this is the latest product. This is about my second tub, I think. As you can see, it's a white, creamy consistency. The way I sometimes use the mask is if I'm at home and I know I'm not going anywhere, I wash my hair, I put my mask on, and I leave it on as long as I can. Sometimes I even go to bed with it wrapped up in a towel. Next morning, I just rinse it out. And this is absolutely amazing. These products are not cheap, but they're not expensive either. I think they're really good value for money. What I say to people is, if you see how long my hair is, these products probably last me a good 3 months. So when you actually cost it out, it's not as expensive as you think it's going to be. They're really good products. What else was I going to say? Of course, I'm at that age when menopause also has an effect on your hair. I say to people, as soon as I see anything on Facebook, I'm going through menopause, my hair's a mess, it's falling out, the first thing I do is always write them a nice little note and send the Watermans link and tell them to give it a try, because I think it's great for that as well. But I think the greatest thing that I'm really happy at Watermans is I have a friend who had cancer. She went through chemo and obviously lost her hair. Her hair began to grow back, but on a very slow rate. I suggested Watermans to her and she's been using it and her hair has grown back amazing. So she's really happy with the product. So all I say to you is give it a go. You've got nothing to lose, but you've got so much to gain. I would not use any other products besides the Watermans products. They're a really professional company. I order my products. I don't live in the UK, I live abroad. Within 4 days, my products arrive packed securely so they don't get damaged, they don't leak on the way, etc. They've never ever let me down. Give them a go. The good thing about Watermans as well, they have like a reward scheme. You get droplets for the money that you spend, for X amount of pounds that you spend, and that you can exchange it for discounts, or you can exchange it for postage. I generally do postage because obviously you can imagine these coming through the post, a bit heavy, can be quite expensive, but using my droplets I get free shipping, so it's a win-win situation for me. So ladies, gents, my husband even uses it on his beard. Don't tell him I told you that. Give it a go. Great product, great company to deal with, and thank you Watermans.